Chapter 1. Being a Corporate Manager. I'm Gio. Gio, because my Polish boss couldn't pronounce my entire name. She was Gosia. Gosia, because I couldn't pronounce her entire difficult Polish name. We were both strong women, in search of a successful corporate manager life. We both loved people and were happy to work in human resources. She helped me fulfill my last dream in the corporate world, my biggest and last one. I was 29 when my dream to become a corporate manager and to shine came true. My dream for which I had studied and worked hard for years. My dream for which my dad forbade me to have any social life as a teenager, and instead kept me inside to study hard, because only hard study could take me to where he thought I would be happy. And I thought I would be happy. I was smart, fast, ambitious. I loved to shine. I loved to earn money, to show what I was made of. I was a job jumper, the kind that after 2-3 years is too bored of a job and wants something new. Something more challenging, more money, more responsibilities. And none of the companies I worked for were able to offer me that.